Stealth ready.
Tyrannies have no mind for tactics. They shall not see. Active camouflage charge. Only twitching Xenos carapaces remain. Giga Xenos love. Filthy burrow eliminated. Launching crack grenade. Inserting fresh
Stealth ready.
reloading. Camelio line cloak ready. Fester and rot. Xenos abomination. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Inserting fresh magazine. Active camouflage charged. I am a phantom of death. Their numbers are no match for our training. Readying next volley. You cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Changing magazine. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Inserting fresh magazine. Alien biocore armed.
Stealth ready. Unseen, I stalk my target.
Alien bioform eliminated. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Launching crack grenade. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Line cloak ready. Rearming. I am a phantom of death. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated. Active camouflage charged. They shall not see me. Fester and rot. Xenos abomination. Camelio line engaged. Camelio line cloak ready. We cannot enter the fortress until the entire system is activated.
Stealth ready.
Active camouflage charged. Melter installation done. Lictor could not vanish from my sights. Reloading. Watch out. Amelia line troop ready. Zone troop. Coordinate fire.
Unseen, I stalk my target.
Active camouflage charged. Rearming. Arming melter charge. Tyranids have stealth ready. Amelia line troop ready. We live. Xenos die. Perfect balance. Changing magazine. Synaptic servant slaughtered.
Unseen, I stalk my target.
Inserting fresh magazine.
Stealth ready.
Amelio line cloak activated. Reloading. Active camouflage charged. This lift is our way to the cannons. Our orders are clear. Advance.
The Tyranids seem to know you're close. They are amassing at the fortress.
They will come at us from all sides, and we
Oh,
will
boy.
meet them.
All sides.
Precisely what we needed. Be mindful of not just its size, but its weapons, brothers. The defensive cannons will terminate it.
A termination finale. Not my favorite part of the map, but
They shall not see me. Tyranids have no hybrid tactics. Inserting fresh magazine.
fuck that guy in particular.
Stealth ready. Camelio line engaged.
You are near the last cannons. You will need to find the manual controls to operate them.
I see the console to speak of. My cloak ready.
Defensive cannons active. Targeting system not functional. Initializing secondary system.
We have landed a powerful blow. We have incoming. Stay back from the Tyranid filth.
That's cannons ready. Establish target with a sidearm to initiate offensive protocol.
Active camouflage charged. It cannot shrug off our cannons. The Titan fires at us. Avoided, we have landed a powerful blow.
Defense cannons defeated. Engage auxiliary generators to resume fire.
Stealth ready. Alien biobomb eliminated. Melter bomb prepped and ready. The victor stood no chance. Rearming. We have incoming. Activation complete. Ready to fire.
Convenient time for that bug.
Control has been disrupted. Establish service call and system communication.
I am a phantom of death. Superior tactics bring victory over brute force.
System link has been established. All specs connected.
Keep light between you and the Xenos weapon. Chameleon line cloak ready. Cannot shrug off our cannons. Active camouflage charge. Unseen ice stalk my target. We have incoming. We have landed a powerful blow. Stay back from the tyrannid filth. Stealth ready. Amelio line cloak activated. The Titan fires at us. It cannot shrug off our cannons. Re-energize the las cannons. Amelio line cloak ready. Fester and rot. Xenos above. We have incoming. They shall not see. We must use the generators and recharge the cannons. Camouflage charged.
At the final wheel. Thank God.
This one is ready.
It's almost over. All right, stop moving.
Cannons loaded.
Damn.
All specs and fortress communication disrupted. Return to console for reconnection. Communion successful. Cannon targeting link enabled.
The Titan fires at us. Time to end this battle. Avoid its contamination. I am a phantom of death.
Take the shot on those damn towers and unleash divine retribution.